Student, today I have brought a video introductory lesson to geography for both the classes 9 and 10. In this video we will have an introduction about geography. First of all, I want to tell about the origination of the word geography. Let's begin. The origin of the word geography has come from Greek, that is geographia, meaning to describe or write about Earth. This geographia word meaning totally describing about the Earth. In geography, we study about Earth and its related terms. Who was the first person to use this word geography? The first person to use the word geography was Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes used this word around 276-194 BC. This was the first geographer and philosopher used the word geography. We can divide the word geography origin in this way. Geo meaning earth and graphy meaning study. Initially we can say geography is the study of earth. In this topic geography we mostly study about earth and the things present on the earth. I would like to give a simple definition of it also. Geography is the scientific study of Earth's lands, its features, its inhabitants, and the phenomena surrounding the earth. The geography is the scientific study of Earth's landmass, its features, inhabitants, and phenomena surrounding the earth. Now, who is called as the father of geography? The ancient Greek scholar Eratosthenes called the father of geography. Why do we call the Eratosthenes as the father of geography? He was the first person to use the word geography, and he had a small scale notion of the planet that led him to the able to determine the circumstances of the earth. So this remarkable discovery in the field of geography has given him the title of father. He was first person to determine the circumference of the earth. This was the great remarkable achievement by him in the field of geography, which gave him the title of father of the geography. Now, very important point, branches of the geography or parts of the geography. There are two main branches of geography. These are human geography and physical geography. So now we will study in detail about human geography and physical geography. Human geography is also called anthropogeography. Human geography is the part of geography that deals with the study of people and their communities, cultures, economies, and interaction with the environment by studying their relations with and across space and place. In human geography, we totally study about human and their behaviors, their cultures, how they are living, what are their activities, in which types of environment they live. This everything we study under human geography. Who is called the father of human geography? Father of human geography, Karl Ritter, is considered as the father of human geography. He was a German geographer. He was also given the title of founder of the modern geography. He was the German geographer. He did a lot in the field of geography and achieved a remarkable position that helped the study person to study geography in a better way. The second branch of the geography is physical geography. Physical geography is the part of geography that deals with the study of processes and patterns in the natural environment like the atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and geosphere. Physical geography comprises many parts, that is geomorphology, oceanography. These two parts are the main, and climatology. These three parts mainly come under physical geography: geomorphology, climatology and oceanography. As I have written here, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and geosphere. These are the parts of geomorphology, oceanography and climatology. Biosphere here, it is the part of biogeography. Father of the physical geography, who is called Alexander von Humboldt. His full name is Friedrich William Heinrich Alexander von Humboldt. He is called the father of physical geography. Friedrich William Heinrich Alexander von Humboldt was a Persian polymath, geographer and romantic philosopher. He has given many remarkable discoveries in the field of physical geography, which helps us to study geography in a proper way. This is all about in this video. This was the introductory lesson of geography for both the classes 9 and 10. Very soon I will come with the next video. In that video we will start the topics of geography class wise separately of class 9th and 10th. Study properly. Best of luck. Thank you. Have a nice day.